My name is Megan Casey, and I'm going to talk about the Northerly Island Restoration project in Chicago. The restoration took place on a 91-acre man-made peninsula in Chicago on Lake Michigan. Restoration began in 2012, opened to the public as a park in 2015, and was completed in 2017. The main goal of the project was to restore habitats that were lost due to urbanization and provide recreational opportunities to Chicago residents via a multi-use path. The cost of the project was over $8 million and was funded mostly by the government through the Great Lakes Restoration Initiative and also through the Chicago Parks Department. Prior to restoration, the southern half of the peninsula was an unused airfield. It closed in 2002 when a Chicago mayor had a vision to restore the island and create new habitats and recreation opportunities. The 40 acres are now a nature preserve containing 6 habitats, including lacustrine, dunal pond, emergent marsh, wet and mesic prairie, and oak savanna. The northern half of the peninsula contains the Shed Aquarium and Field Museum. The island's entire features were constructed from on-site sand, which was excavated from underneath an old pond on the peninsula. Originally, the restoration was supposed to include the creation of reefs and barrier islands. They were supposed to protect the peninsula from erosion and wave energy, but this was deemed too expensive as it was going to cost over $40 million to create these. Instead, construction engineers placed armoring rocks along the east shore, which would be the most impacted by water. Before construction was even over, waves overtopped the rocks, and water seeping under the peninsula's foundation caused erosion and damage to the path. These issues continued throughout 2018 and 2019 as Lake Michigan rose to unprecedented water levels. 1/3 of the trail in the peninsula is now permanently closed, and the loop that was originally created is no longer accessible. The government and the Chicago Parks Department paid another $750,000 to repair erosion on the peninsula and install more armor stone, but issues with the project are ongoing. The armor stone is still not enough, and talks have resumed about creating barrier islands in place of the armor stone, but funding for that has not been secured. My name is